equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. First, unplug your Dyson HD01 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover off to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This not only helps with the performance but also makes it easier to work on the cable replacement. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the back cover removed, locate the cable connection point. You will see where the cable is attached to the motor. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the connector. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the connector is free, take your new cable and strip the ends if necessary. Connect the new cable to the motor, ensuring a secure fit. It's crucial to double-check that the connections are tight to avoid any future issues. After connecting the new cable, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the back cover back onto the unit and align it properly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Before you finish, give the vacuum a quick test. Plug it in and turn it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, if you need assistance or prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best service possible. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional Dyson HD01 with a new cable, ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.